For this problem, we want to determine whether the points, these points that are listed here, are solutions to this equation. The way you do this is you just plug in each of these points in for the x and the y. If you get the same number on both sides, if you get an equality, then it's a solution. Okay? The first point is always an x. The second point is always a y for all the ones that we're going to do here. So let's check the first point. I'm going to put a 0 in for y and a 0 in for x, and I'm going to simplify both sides, see what we get. I get a 0 on the left hand side, but then this whole thing turns into a 0. That works. So I get 0 equals 0, that's a true statement. So if you get a true statement, then we know that's the solution. So I know 0, 0 is a solution. Let's try the next one. Get 1 we put in for y, 1 equals 1 cubed minus 2 times square root of 1. Let's work this out. I get a 1 on the left hand side. Now this, I get 1 minus 2, that's negative 1. So I have 1 equal negative 1? No, that's not a true statement, which means I know that 1, 1 is not a solution to this equation. Let's try the last one. Now this one you got to be careful, make sure you put the correct numbers in. Remember that the x is the first number, y is the second number, so x is 1 and y is negative 1. So I have negative 1 equals 1 cubed minus 2 times square root of 1. Left hand side I have negative 1. Now if I work this out, I get 1 minus 2, that's equal to negative 1 also. That works, which means that I know that 0, 0 and 1, negative 1, those would be the 2 points that would be solutions to this equation, because when we put that in, we got the same number on both sides and got a true statement.